Welcome student. Again come to nucleic acid. In last class we have draw the various product obtained from nucleic acid by enzymatic hydrolysis. Again I will repeat. Nucleic acid, it may be DNA or RNA. Okay. Now, and as we know, nucleic acid is nothing but polynucleotide. Nucleotide chain. Okay. Means large number of nucleotide molecule combined together like this. For example, nucleotide like this, nucleotide and so on, this type of chain. Okay. Now on hydrolysis this chain will break, this bond will break between like this, and all the nucleotide molecule will separate. Okay. If n number of nucleotide present, after hydrolysis you will get n number of nucleotide. Okay. And then this nucleotide on further hydrolysis gives n number of nucleoside, remember, plus phosphoric acid. Okay. And then this nucleotide on further hydrolysis gives sugar molecule plus heterocyclic bases, heterocyclic compound containing nitrogen and which are basic in nature like this. So this is simple presentation. Now sugar molecule, come to this sugar. If this sugar, nucleic acid contain two types of sugar, either deoxyribose sugar or ribose sugar. If here, if we get deoxyribose, then whatever sugar obtained is deoxyribose, then here nucleic acid is RNA, be careful. And if ribose only, then RNA. Okay, clear? Now come to this polynucleotide chain. Actually, if we combine sugar plus heterocyclic base, then you get nucleoside. Again, nucleoside plus phosphoric acid, if we combine nucleotide, and if we combine nucleotide, then polynucleotide, which is nucleic acid. So I will try to draw the structure of nucleic acid or polynucleotide chain. Very simple. See, sugar molecule. This sugar molecule attached to base, heterocyclic base attached to sugar, and then that sugar is attached to phosphate linkage, phosphate group. Okay, we will explain in next class how their attachment is possible. Then again sugar attached to base, remember, sugar attached to phosphate, negative, they are negative, and the bonding, sugar base, OPO. Okay, so this is the polynucleotide chain. What is nucleotide? Nucleotide is this much portion here. This portion, base attached to sugar and this phosphate group, that is nothing but nucleotide. one nucleotide, second nucleotide, and next third nucleotide, and so on. Here also nucleotide chain grow, and here also nucleotide chain grow. This is nothing but nucleotide chain, okay, and this nucleotide chain is nothing but nucleic acid, okay. See, nucleotide base molecule, base heterocyclic base attached to sugar, sugar attached to phosphate group. This much portion is nothing but nucleotide. One nucleotide, second nucleotide, third nucleotide, and so on. All these nucleotide attached, linked together, give polynucleotide chain, and polynucleotide chain nothing but nucleic acid. And there are two nucleic acid, RNA and DNA. If this sugar molecule, if sugar is deoxyribose sugar, then DNA. If sugar molecule is ribose sugar, then RNA, okay, okay, right? So this is polynucleotide chain, that is nucleic acid. Now come to structure of sugar. So again, nucleic acid contain two types of sugar. Nucleic acid contain how many types of sugar? Two. Either deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar. For example, ribose. Ribose open chain structure is like this. 5 carbon. Ribose means 5 carbon sugar, like this. Okay, we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is open chain structure of ribose. Ribose is a pentose, okay, and cyclic structure is this. H, OH, H, OH, OH, CH2OH, H. Carbon number 1. Carbon number 1, okay, here carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, CH2OH. This is the structure of ribose, not deoxy, only ribose, okay. See, then deoxyribose, deoxyribose. Deoxy means deoxy, no oxygen, no oxygen. At carbon number 2 there is no oxygen, only H, okay. Let us see, CHO 1H, CH2OH. See, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5. At carbon number 2 only hydrogen, 1, 2. Here H, OH. What is difference? OH group. Here hydrogen means OH, H. OH ribose, H deoxyribose. Okay, that is the difference. And cyclic structure, pyranose, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is CH2OH, H, OH, H, 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 OH, H. This is deoxyribose. Okay, this is ribose sugar, this is deoxyribose. Okay, so if nucleic acid contain this sugar, then RNA, and deoxyribose sugar, then DNA. Okay, so this is the basic difference between RNA and DNA. Ribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar. Okay, clear? So these are the structure. So very important, try to draw this. Okay, and this is the basic difference between RNA and DNA. Thank you very much.